Hello and welcome to Toys Are Evil, and today I'll do a unboxing of Ken Neko. Ken Neko friends from POPMART and Konatsu. Konatsu. This was a figure released, or rather solicited in October 2019. These are the figures. There are 12 plus 1, the 13th chase figure, secret figure. They call it secret for POPMART. And it features Konatsu's Ken Neko, which basically means cat in a tuna can. Okay, the series of figures of adorable cats, kitty cats, that are reacting to the tuna can. Okay, I'm gonna have a look at two boxes. Do a quick turn around, let you see how the boxes look like first. Yeah, you've seen the figures here. A lot of descriptions, which is very cool. Okay, we just jump straight into it. It's interesting that they put a scissors here. I think this is the second generation of boxes where it has this particular pull-out tab rather than the plain lid from before. And the interesting part about this is it allows you to open and close, so you are able to seal your figure back after you pull it open. I won't say seal, but I will put back in place. It comes with a can. First time I'm seeing this actually. It comes with a can. Oh, it's a separate sticker. Yeah, the can label is a separate sticker. Okay, it comes with a card. Let me show you the card. I've learned that once you see the card, it is the graphic of the toy inside, so I'll put it down here first. I'm not going to spoil my own surprise. It comes with the bag inside. Ah, silica bag. In the past, it was a coin, sort of like I wouldn't say a coin. Let me show you. It was something like this. That was used, different thickness, different weight, that was used to balance out the weight of the figures so people cannot feel the weight of the boxes when they pull them. Look at the bag. POPMART. Make something fun. Cool, yeah? Okay, let's see what's inside. Ooh. Ooh, see the bottom first. Oh, cute. Cute, lah. It's like a Ajima old lady cat. Let me put it here and just see what the box says. This is the Mata cat. Can you see here? Mata cat. What does it mean? Probably I'll find a meaning online later. Do a quick turn around of the figure. Two tails, nice. Are they articulated? Yes, they are. Or rather, you can twist them, but yeah, a bit scary now. Maybe I shouldn't be twisting them. Not really sure. Because the arms are not exactly movable or articulated. So maybe don't twist the tail. Put Mata here. And we will look at the card. Yes, there it is. Ken Neko. The cat and the card as written here. Let me open up the can for this particular one to see what you can do with this. So the figure would sit inside the can, if you can see, and the label, oh nice, there are how to do labels here that teach you what to do. Two labels, very nice. Two labels in case you spoil. I think that's pretty awesome of them, man. Yeah, it literally is two labels, so in case you do something wrong. And interesting because it's very nicely structured where the end of this would be the end of the label. See? I won't stick it on now. then I'll just be struggling. But this is how it actually looks like. Yeah, let's pull this apart so it doesn't look weird. So nice. So this is Mata Neko. Now let me jump into the second box. Let me put this aside. The second box. I see what's inside. For this particular series, I've not particularly looked forward to. I would say not look forward to any particular choice. It would be nice to get one of the Calico cats. The Calico is the one with the orange and black dots. Yeah, it would be nice to get one of those. Let's see what is available here. Open up. Yeah, when I say the box can be sealed back, I haven't showed you. Let me show you later. Okay, let me take out the figures first. Bag and red label. The card. Oh, I don't want to see the card. The card is here. Let me put it aside. Let me show you what I mean by be able to put back. Because of the way it's structured here, you can literally fold in and still have the cover be partially closed. Makes sense? So it doesn't fully pop out. So you can still sort of close the box, which I think is cool. Okay. Let me do a little bit of focus. Alright, okay. Let me see what's inside the bag. Oh, nice! Got the Calico orange and dark brown head. Oh, cute lah. Cute lah with the bell. None of it is articulated, I have to say. It's a single solid pre-painted PVC piece, but it is adorable lah. Let me see what figure this is. Half eyes closed. It's the lick hair. Can you see? Lick hair. So cool. There's lick hair. Do a turn around. I forgot to show a turn around of the figure. Sorry if the lighting looks as if this is very harsh, darkened background, but yeah, let's give it a try now. This is the lighting conditions right now in the room where I'm shooting is not spectacular, so I require a light, headlight here. If you see that, if I do not use, it's still a bit darker, so maybe better with. Yeah. So there you have it. Now let me show this first. Just now did I? Let me show again. Oh yeah, I did, but I'll show again lah. This is cute lah. This is cute. I'll put her aside. Let's see the card for this Calico. There it is. I mean, it's Calico lick hair. In a way, I wish there were more words, but I can understand if this is just a description of the item and not storytelling, because you might be stuck in an issue of particular countries and particular texts, or it's like, oh, how come it's only particular language and not the language where the item is being sold? But it would be nice if there's a little poem or prose or a little story about what the cat is doing, what this character is doing, so it adds a little bit more color, not in the sense of visual color, but color to the character of a toy that somebody has just bought, and I think that would be fun. I think it would be fun. Can we squeeze two? Cannot lah, cannot fit one. I'm in a bag. It can. I'm not in a can. Okay lah. Can. Get it? Oh gosh. Wow, can't really stand that clearly, can it? Actually can lah. cannot complain, can stand. There you have it. Neko friends. Now end this video. Thank you all for watching.